Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine.
I
See?
don't feel sleepy.
My hair is completely different.
You may not touch my brandy, water boy. Yes, sir. I say just right.
Really? Is that
Just
okay?
right for a man.
In that case, I'm off to have fun.
Oh, do not worry. Watch. Yes, master.
En la casa de los Gales estamos interesados en cómo convivir con otros de un modo agradable y respetuoso. A veces estamos encantados con algo que un amigo nos ha hecho. Entonces, podemos hacerle un cumplido diciéndole lo que nos gusta de él o de ella.
This wooden bottle has 9 pure fountains that spray water as if working together.
Bunny does it.
Let's take a photo.
I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it. I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it. I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it.
That was amazing. I got you a souvenir. In the case, I'm off.
What a relief! I was on the floor here doing my push-ups when wham, bam, everything went dark and I was squashed by that. What do I care? I spent the whole day under that thing.
Let's take a photo.
Something dumb, I bet. What do you mean, all right? Look at the mess we were in just because of
Water
her.
firefly.
He saved our lives and he helped us find the bed.
Let's take a
If you
photo.
keep your body relaxed in
The most obvious
the
waterfall is deafening, but it's
body
great for a
is
picture.
in
Let's take a
contact
photo.
with the depths of your soul. Is that clear? Because it's quite important. And so, if you are stiff in any joint, you impede the
It was
current,
amazing. I
the
got you a souvenir.
emotional, physical current, what the music itself dictates to you.
Is that okay?
If you
In that case,
have
I'm off to have
a
fun.
stiff joint, you don't let it go through into the keyboards.
Are the product of many,
The
many
drawings have muscular
ideas.
so big. How did they draw this bird so well?
And not only your
Let's
teachers,
take a
but
photo.
artists you've heard. It's a combination of all your musical
This swimming
experience
castle has 12
which
corners.
creates
It's no wonder
your
that it is
voice.
unique.
And that's what's
Let's take a
most
photo.
important, is that there you have a stamp.
Machu Picchu is a hidden wonder 2,430 meters
All
up,
cats
and this is the best place for a
plays the
photo.
cello like no other.
Let's take a photo.
And he teaches that ability to develop your own way of playing, your own style.
Well, and that's what you taught me. I mean, that's what you...
I'm not terribly happy in hearing anyone.
That was amazing. I got you a souvenir.
Gold! Rock bottom! I don't trust him.
Really? Is that okay? In the
Here's
case,
a good
I'm off to
place
have
to
fun.
hide it.
It's most discouraging. Everyone is so
Nobody raised the
prosperous.
lion.
Oh, for the good old
Let's take a
days of the
photo.
Depression. Here I am, with $1 million to give away, and
They
I
will
can't
happily
find
tell you
anybody
they lived to a
poor
great age,
enough.
and you can eat the food.
Ah, there he is.
Let's
There's
take a
my
photo.
man. Stop the car, quickly. You there,
There are so many spices
ragamuffin.
for
May
sale
I
in
have
this
a
market.
word with
I
you?
wanted to bring them all home.
Let's take a photo.
That was amazing. I got you a souvenir.
Really? Is that okay?
Wanna make this game
In
a
that
little
case, I'm off to
harder
have
or
fun.
easier? Pick the level you want. Level 1 is the easiest. Level 2 is
The
medium.
reflection of Anchor Rock in
And
the
level
background is just
3
perfect.
is the hardest.
Let's
If
take a
you're
photo.
sure you want to make the game a little harder, click yes.
These ruins are really
Click
fascinating.
no, If you don't,
Let's take a photo.
I always make sure that food is put away in the right place so it stays really
Okay, so
fresh.
it's
You
1,000
can help
years old
me by
instead of
clicking on the
cereals.
groceries and then click where
Let's
they
take a
go.
photo.
The refrigerator, the freezer, or the cabinet. Click on the big green go button and we'll start putting the groceries away.
That was amazing. I got you a souvenir.